Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record only new episodes on YouTube TV. So first we need to understand whether this option is available in YouTube TV or not, and then I went on this particular page that is from the community of YouTube, and here someone asked the same question that how can I record new episodes of a series. And as you can see that the YouTube TV person or the person from the YouTube team gave this answer, in which he is saying that this option doesn't exist within the YouTube TV. It records all new and old episodes. YouTube TV has unlimited DVR, meaning that there is no space or storage constraints. It will show when something is watched, making it easy to keep track of your progress. If you aren't seeing this, make sure that your watch history isn't paused. Click your profile in the app, then go to settings and go to privacy. There is also no way to delete individual episodes from your library. You can remove an entire show from your library by clicking the check mark under the show's title, but this removes the entirety of the show, not individual episodes. So if this is what you want to go through, you need to go to the show page and click on the check mark at the top. So we found our answer that currently the only new episode recording option isn't available on YouTube. You can even come on Reddit, and as you can see that this person asked the same question, and he says that you can't do it, and this is not how YTTV's library work. So currently this option isn't available for you in YouTube TV. However, they might update this in the future updates. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.